I'll say hello to my little friend. Well, cat toys can be quite expensive, but discarded 3 metre broken USB lead. Sometimes he's interested, sometimes he's not. He's friendly enough, but been chasing flies. Look how calm he is. Half grown. There you go. So he's playing. Do it too fast, he's not interested. He's a very patient cat. He's chasing flies. Oh. Is he playing? Sometimes you can hear the magpies. Oh, COVID, so he gets distracted. He seems happy enough. A bit cautious, but friendly for cats. Hello. Is he gonna go for it? Let's have another go. Oh, we might be. Let's see. He's very interested in eating grass right now. Very patient, but very active. Half grown. I couldn't call him a kitten. There we go. You have to play the patient game with him. Got by surprise. Lovely animal. See, unfortunately, I don't know what it is. Like, cats become far more cautious now. I remember as a kid being more friendly. This one, there's hope for him. Apart from me, he likes to eat grass. I can't remember if it's to do with aiding digestion or they want to be sick or something, but he does like chewing grass. He seems happy enough. He's kind of sat near ants. He doesn't seem to bother him though. He's quite hyperactive. Go. So distracted, so he has to learn to focus. He's panting like crazy. Well, I don't know if he's overheated. See how fast they metabolize. He's not out of breath. He's not panting like he's too hot. Give him another go. Seems friendly enough. Okay. Do it too fast, it didn't bother. But slow.